This video tutorial I will explain NoSQL database. It is also called not only SQL. So in NoSQL database, we are not going to use structured query language. And NoSQL database is non-relational database management system. And NoSQL database is very much different from RDBMS. Now we will see why we need NoSQL database when we have powerful relational database management systems like Oracle and MySQL is there. The answer is the companies like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Amazon used to get large volume of data on a daily basis, which has given birth to the new data called big data. And big data can be a semi-structured data or unstructured data, and it is totally unpredictable data. So this kind of semi-structured, unstructured and unpredictable data cannot be handled by relational database management system. And also relational database management system cannot handle a very huge volume of data. So that NoSQL came and it can handle semi-structured, unstructured and unpredictable data, and also it can handle very huge volume of data. Here you can see the features of NoSQL databases. NoSQL databases stores large volumes of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. And NoSQL database provides high performance, high scalability and high availability. And NoSQL database provides quick iteration, and it supports object-oriented programming, so it is easy to use and flexible. And NoSQL database supports dynamic schemas, auto sharding and replication, so which makes them easy to scale out and easy to maintain, and it is fail proof. There are four types of NoSQL databases are there. The first one is key value stores. The data is stored in the form of key value pairs. Examples are Redis, Dynamo and React databases. The next one is column oriented, and data is stored in the columns. Example databases are Bigtable, Cassandra and SimpleDB. The third one is Graph NoSQL database, and in this data is stored in graphical manner. Examples are OrionDB, Neo4j and Titan. And the fourth one is document oriented. In this database, data is stored in the form of document. Examples are MongoDB and CouchDB. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.